Ganda. For today's vlog, we are going to Jasper National Park. We are here in ano to? Saskatchewan Crossing. This is for the washroom, and then 2 more hours going to Jasper. And look at the views! Oh. Mountains, mountains everywhere. This is our first meal of the day. Chinese restaurant. We have hot and sour soup, tsaka yang chow fried rice. Tapos may parating pa kaming sweet and sour pork.
Welcome to my lodge.
We're here now in Fairmont Jasper Park Lodge. Let's do a room tour. Yan, ito yung pagpasok sa harap. Aray ko. Tapos, yan, may kainan dyan. May pa fruit basket and chocolate and bottled water. Tapos, yan yung room. King bed. Mayroon ito laundry bag. Tayo sa banyo. Kung makikita yung banyo. Tadaan! Ay, walang bathtub. Sad. Okay lang. Cute. Gusto ko tong mirror ha. Cute. Ang cute ng mirror. Oh, yung mga amenities. Channeling ng keme. Ano meron dito? Nice. Cute lang. Ang ganda dun sa labas yung sa may lake. Ay, nakatago dito yung fridge. Oh. Ayan yung fridge. Lagay natin yung take out namin sa Chinese restaurant. Din namin naubos. Ano to? Ah, dito yung coffee machine. Ay, puke. Nespresso. Nespresso coffee. Ay, nalaglag. Lake. We are here in Malin Lake. It's just 30 minutes away from Fairmont, ata. 1 hour? Ay, 1 hour pala. Sabi niya. So, this is Malin Lake. Ang lamig. Lake Chalet. Patunaw na rin yung ano eh. Frozen lake. Frozen yung lake. Sana makabalik kami ng may water. Yung tunaw yung ice.
Ano lang tayo ngayon? Ocular.
Ocular? Kasi hindi ganun kaganda. Maganda siya, pero... going to the Great Hall for dinner because we're hungry. Good morning. We are on our way to Orso to grab some breakfast. Faster na, please. Oy, door. Di mo ni-close yung door.
Susi.
Pasakin. Let's go eat. Kain na, breakfast na.
Welcome to my lawn.
Melon? Anong melon?
The lawn.
Maganda ha. Memeing time. Oh, ang ganda. Mainit na. Sarap. Ang sarap. Swimming time kami dito. Tapos ito yung view. Ang ganda. Kasi nga naka-vlog din yung camera ko eh. Ang sarap. Waterproof to, di ba?
Oo.
Ano?
Oo.
Swimming time kami dito. Solo namin yung pool. Oh, private pool. Charot. Swimming time kami si Jaime nag-workout kunyari, oh. Workout. O, paano sa baba? Sa baba. Hot tub! Hot tub time na! Yay! Mas ganda! Deers everywhere. Oh. Hello. Sarap yan. Bambi. Uy, sarap ba yan? On our way home. Ay, kakain pala muna kami sa downtown. Kasi nagla-lunch muna kami. Kasi 4 hours drive ulit pa Banff. Sana makabalik dito. Oh, ganda. Hi! We stopped in the middle of the road to see this view! Ta-da!